Only Sports Summer League 2016. How do you feel right now?
I feel pretty good. It's been like a real cool experience just being in a different country and, you know, seeing all type of different people and different cultures. It's been real fun.
And how important is to work during the summer?
Oh, that's really important. That's the best time to get in shape. You know, right after the season, you just keep working out, keep getting in the gym, and then staying focused. And then you come to an event like this and you try to put your best effort forward.
And there's something you could steal from basketball, European basketball style.
The fundamentals. If there's one thing I could still definitely be the fundamentals. You know, they're real big on that. A lot of like footwork things. That would be one thing I would definitely steal from European style.
And there's a particular skill that you're working right now.
If there was one particular skill I would be working on, it would probably be just adjusting to the footwork and being able to, you know, take the first dribble when I take that step and things like that. I'm still trying to get used to it, so I'm still working on that, stuff like that.
Last question, NBA, basketball, do you have a role model?
Yes, LeBron. I'm a LeBron fan, so I haven't seen the game yet, so hopefully they won.
Yeah.
Oh, they did? Yeah. Oh, wow. So I'm really excited about that.
I spoiled you something.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm happy to hear that. Go Cavs, go LeBron.